Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with the first 24 hours with the Galaxy Fold 7, Z Fold 7. First off, let me start by saying that the first 24 hours, there's not too much I can report to you. Right now, basically, I spend most of the day setting the phone up, getting my apps turned on to, have all the password works, my security apps, just logging into apps and just pretty much setting up a basic arrangement of how I like my screen to look. I haven't really thought about any type of themes or anything like that, or just trying to figure out how I want everything to look. It's just pretty much just setting everything up and just getting comfortable with the phone, letting the phone learn my habits. But first off, I do some important things. I pretty much go out and find a nice quick case. I don't find the most expensive case. To me, finding the right case does take a little time, but I will go out and get a case to protect my investment, especially a $2,000 investment when it comes to the United States, when it comes to paying for one of these. It does have a nice camera bump, as you can see, but it does protect the camera and it does minimize rocking, which is a great thing. I'm trying now, like I said, to make a decision on whether I want a case where it only just protects the back of the phone and pretty much leaves the front free, or maybe something that just frames the actual front of the actual phone, giving me a much fuller access to that to the front part of this screen. Right now, this particular phone, this particular case has has like a rainfall lip where it falls over towards the screen, and it kind of makes the screen looks a little smaller than what it actually is. So, that's still up in the air. Also, this screen gets dirty very easy. Oh, let me quickly tell you about this case. Let me look it up online, but just in case you're interested in picking up this particular case, let me give you a quick little details on it. Okay, now this is called the Hen Simple case for the Z Fold 7. It does have MagSafe technology. This is their translucent, matted, military grade, drop proof protected shock case. Does have a hard PC cover on the bag. You can get this in a black trim, which is what this one is, a blue and a gray. It does retail for $23.99, and it also, as of the filming of this video, have a save 10% coupon on it. But this case has worked out nicely. The magnetic strength on it is very good. Again, it has 360 protection for both your screen. And let me show you something really interesting about this particular case. I'm going to take the phone out. It has a rubber hinge on it. I don't know if you can see that, but the case is one piece with a rubber hinge in the middle. Now, to be honest with you, I think this is like a unique design, but with opening and turning, I don't know how often you may open your phone up. I wonder, will this wear over time? But for now, I like this. It's an ingenious look. You don't have to have tape. I think that's pretty much why it's like that. So you don't have to put tape around the perimeter of your phone. So this is a unique design. Again, let's check out the inside of it. This camera protection is next level. And like I said, it stops the phone from literally rocking on your on your table. I'm going to clean this screen off. All right, so let's move on. Like I said, this is the first 24 hours. This case MagSafe. Let's check out some of the MagSafe products I got here. I got a this is nice. Does stick very well. Oh yeah, this is strong. All right, I got a wallet. The wallet fits nicely against the back. It doesn't protrude over. This is your standard ESR wallet. This is a standard size wallet that you get for iPhones or anything like that. And it does fit very nicely on the back. But man, look at this. This is strong. Man, scale of 1 to 5. This magnet on the back of this is about a 5. Phone calls, stuff like that. This is a strong magnet. I'm having issues getting it off the back of this case. But for the most part, I've pretty much got my Google Bud 3s synced. I'm about to get my Ray-Ban synced up to it. And I already got my car set up with this also. So again, the first 24 hours is just pretty much getting everything acclimated, getting set up. But again, that's my first 24 hours. This case is a major go. I like this for this price. If you need something until you can find that perfect case, pick this up. I'll leave a link for it down below. Is there anything else? Oh, the watch. It synced to this very easily. It wasn't that much of a problem. And also, one more thing before I leave, I do have a eSIM. So when I transferred my eSIM from my S25 Ultra to this Fold 7, I thought it was going to be a difficult task, but from Samsung to Samsung, the change was flawless. I'm on T-Mobile. I thought it was going to take like 10 to 15 minutes. It literally took 2 minutes. I was shocked. I was disappointed I couldn't get it on film to show you guys, but it was a flawless switch. If you're on an eSIM going from a S25 Ultra to this, it was perfect. Didn't need no customer service, nothing. Worked out perfectly fine. So that pretty much does it with my first 24 hours. Like I said, it's not much to report on other than just getting the phone acclimated to how I like to use it. And other than that, that was pretty much it. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Other than that, catch everybody next video.